Today, our presentation topic name is The Story of an Hour, written by Kat Chopin. Introduction. The Story of an Hour was written on April 19, 1894 and first published on December 6, 1894 in Vegue under the title The Dream of an Hour. This beautiful story was written by Kat Chopin. It describes a woman, Mrs. Mallard, a sickly wife who lost her husband in an accident and believes that her husband is dead. She imagines a whole new life of freedom for herself. But later, the truth comes out, and her husband was alive. This essay will discuss the 1 hour story with an emphasis on the protagonist's plot and development.
A death in the family is a difficult challenge in most people's life which can affect them significantly. The news of Mr. Mallard's death awakened a long suppressed. This freedom is short-lived as her husband's return crushes her awakened spirit and ends her life. In the plot of the story, we can see the main character of the story. Mr. Mallard is reported to die in a train accident, and Lucy's sisters are going to tell her sister about this incident. In the climax, Mr. Mallard returns out to be alive. He is completely unaware of the current situation. As a result, Mrs. Mallard dies after seeing her husband alive. Kat Chopin frequently uses symbolism in the story of an hour. It is mostly used when describing Mrs. Mallard's surroundings. When Mrs. Mallard sat facing the open window in a comfortable roomy armchair. The open window is one of the most important uses of symbolism. The window symbolizes freedom, which Mrs. Mallard had just gained. The narrator pointed out that she could see the top of trees that were all equiver with the new spring life. Spring is the symbol of new life and growth. Breakdown in the fundamental structure of the society is also a symbol. There are mental and emotional symbols. Imagery in the story evokes springtime, like rain showers, twittering bird, blue skies, etc. Chopin uses this imagery to suggest the optimism of renewal, a new season. Mr. Mallard probably mourned for his wife that he was never valued. Abuse of his wife or any other person causes more harm to the oppressor. It is ironic that Mr. Mallard never realized that his presence had killed his wife.
The main characters in the story of an hour are Louise Mallard, Brantley Mallard, Josephine Richards. Louise Mallard, an intelligent, independent woman. Louise Mallard understands the right way to treat a woman when her sister announced that Brantley was dead. Louise wept dramatically rather than faint. Her violent response immediately shows that she is an emotional woman. She knows that for Brantley, she should mourn and fear for her own future, but in instant she feels happy in her new freedom. Louise is suffering from heart problem. She feels that marriage has persecuted her. Until the end, Louise welcomed her new freedom with open arms and embraced the new life of a self-processed person. Brenton Mallard is a Louis' husband. Supposedly date in train accident. Brentley is a kind and loving husband of Louis, but despite that is an impediment to Louis' freedom. Simply marrying made her an oppressive factor in his life. End of the story reveals her has been alive. Josephine is the caring sister of Louis Mallard. She is supporting characters for Louis Mallard, helping for months. Josephine told Louis the bad news. She was able to talk about Brent's death in hints. Richards is a friend Brantley Mallard. She is other supporting characters. He learns of the train accident and Brantley death at a newspaper office, and he sees Brantley's names leading the list of killed.
Every story teaches us something, sometimes from a bad point of view or sometimes from a good piece of advice or given us something good. In the same way, there are good and bad sides to this story, but I will discuss the merits of this story. If we look at the background of the story, we can see how Mrs. Mallard is shocked and even dies for it. The thing is, depending on the situation, we should always keep ourselves mentally strong, finding a way to prepare ourselves for each environment. There are so many times in our life that changes us in just a moment, changes our time or everything. One such incident we see in a scene in the story when Mrs. Mallard returns. Moreover, in other scene, we can see that Mrs. Mallard wants to think independently. I appreciate it because every single person needs freedom. The story shows that when the news of Mr. Mallard's death comes, Mrs. Mallard is broken at first, but later realize that she is now free. She will able to live her life independently. One thing is for sure, Mrs. Mallard was either stressed or unhappy with her family life. When Mr. Mallard returned, Mrs. Mallard was unable to accept with the shock, and she died. That is some of merit part from this story.
Personal observation. When we read a story or novel, we try to observe and relate our thoughts with the text. The story of an hour shows some messages that are related to our today's society. If anyone asks me what is my personal observation about the story of an hour, then broadly say lesson that everybody should learn from this story is that marriage is a very complicated relationship. Many young couples start off thinking that they may be stay forever, but it is not happened. I think, you know what, I think that Mrs. Mellon maybe feel helpless because she never feel respect and love from her husband. And the next one is freedom, a meaning of freedom that expresses a wife who wants to free from her husband. The writer has told the reader that the idea of freedom by an accident that happens to Mrs. Mellon who lost her husband. It is really interesting for me because the writer produced up this problem in the story in a very different way. So it is very unique story. And then the story has a very difficult word meaning. It is also describe the story. It may be some figure of speech that make the story very interesting. This story has a good conflict in there. It makes the reader curious and makes them interested to continue the story until the end. So I like the idea of freedom in the story. The story is also tell us about the position of widow in this that time. Chopin wanted to become the voice of the widow women. Widows always neglected to our society, but we have to know that a widow have desire. They want happiness, freedom in their life. So here we have a lesson. Everyone should accept whatever happened in their life because life is very small. And in this story, many people think that there is a negative point. Mrs. Mallard may be a very selfish woman, but no one knows that how much pain she had in her heart. Without mental peace, life becomes so miserable. And that's all. Conclusion. I strongly believe that everyone in life is disappointed at one point to another. Mrs. Meller's situation is similar to that of many children around the world. We are often controlled by the adults and they told what to do. Mrs. Mellor lived a limited life and she was not free from herself. Cat Chopin's The Story of an Hour is a short story full of sorrow, hope, and tragedy which upholds through the progress of Mrs. Mellor's thought and feeling. And by reading the story, at the end, we can say that the moral aspect of the story is that truth shall set you free. Thank you. Thank you.